A bearing of 320 degrees expressed as a compass bearing is, so we have options here. Now this bearing 320 is called 3-digit bearing. Why? Because the digits are 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but we're going to express it as what? Compass bearing. Compass bearing is another type of bearing. But first of all, let us draw this 360 degrees. These are 4 cardinal points. So this is what you do. You start from the north line. Okay, this north line is your starting point. So you move from the north line to the east first. When you get to the east, you have covered an angle of 90 degrees. You see? So you keep moving because the angle you want to cover is what? 320. So stopping at the east means you've covered only 90. You have to move again to the south. When you get to the south, you've covered another 90. Another 90 means you've covered a total of what? 180. Because 90 plus 90 is 180. But you have not reached 320. So you move again from this south, you move to the west. You've added another what? 90. So you've covered a total of 270. You still have not reached the 320. So you have to move again. But you will not reach north. You just move and stop somewhere here. Why? Because this, if you reach north, it means you've covered 360. That means you've gone around completely. You've covered 360. But the angle you are trying to cover is not up to 360. Something will remain to reach that 360. So you have to stop here. Then you now put your line from here. Okay, so this line is the bearing of 320 degrees. So let's convert it to compass bearing. Compass bearing says that you should start from either north or from south and go to that line that you have drawn. Which place is closer to this line? Is it north line? Look at north line here. Or is it the south line? You must start from either north or south. So if you check, you see that this north line is actually closer to this line because from south will be far. So you come from north to this line. Okay, that means you are looking at this angle here. All right, now what do you think this angle should be? Remember, from here going round is 320, remaining this one to reach north. That means this angle should be 40. Because when you have gone 320, it's remaining 40 to reach 360. Now, this one here is between this north and the west. You get? Because the angle is touching the north line. So you start with north. Alright? Then you put the angle at the middle, 40 degrees. Then you put west because it is between north and west. So this is your answer. Let's check which one is correct. Option B is the correct answer.